Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to add a female AI voice in CapCut, right? So text to speech, basically. All you're going to want to do is go up to text, add your text to the timeline, and then click on the text. We're going to type in whatever we want the AI to say right over here. We can mess with the font size and everything else. And then we're going to go up to text to speech. Click on text to speech, click on female, and now you have an array of female AI voices to choose from. So let's say I want Daisy.
Game time, baby.
That one's a little weird. Crystal?
Game time, baby.
That's actually a lot better. We have an adorable girl, right?
Game time, baby.
That is absolutely amazing. We're going to use that. Start reading. So let's check it out.
Game time, baby.
That's awesome. Well, guys, thank you for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Have a great day, guys.